One AI agent is powerful, but multiple agents working together, that's where things get wild and where most teams get it completely wrong. Today, I'm going to show you the 4 patterns that power every multi-agent system in production. Think about how a real software company works. You don't have one person who writes code, reviews it, tests it, deploys it, and writes the docs. You have specialists. Multi-agent AI works the same way. Specialization beats generalization. So why can't we just use one agent? 3 killer problems. First, context window bloat. Define 30 tools in one prompt and the model drowns. It starts calling the wrong tools. Second, conflicting instructions. Third, no single model is best at everything. Pattern number 1, sequential, also called the pipeline. Agents run one after another, each taking the previous agent's output as input. Think of a content creation pipeline: research, then write, then review, then publish. Pattern number 2, parallel or fan-out fan-in. Multiple agents work simultaneously on different parts of the task. Imagine doing competitive analysis. One agent researches each competitor at the same time, then an aggregator combines everything. Pattern 3, the supervisor or boss pattern. One boss agent coordinates the others, assigning tasks and reviewing results dynamically. This is perfect when you don't know the exact steps up front. The supervisor adapts the plan as results come in. Pattern 4, the swarm or peer-to-peer. No central boss. Agents hand off to each other directly. Each agent decides when to pass control and to whom. This is huge for customer service. A triage agent routes to sales or support depending on the request. Now here's the thing most people miss. The hardest part isn't picking a pattern. It's the handoffs. How one agent passes control and context to the next agent makes or breaks your entire system. A good handoff includes 3 things. What was done, a summary, not raw data. What needs to be done next, specific instructions. And what done looks like clear success criteria. Skip any of these and your receiving agent produces generic garbage. How do agents actually communicate? 3 approaches. Shared memory, where all agents read and write to a common state, simple but risky. Message passing with structured messages, clean but more complex. And direct function calls, dead simple but tightly coupled. Here's a wild pattern: the debate. Make 2 agents argue with each other, then have a judge decide. One argues for, one argues against. The result? Way more nuanced analysis than any single agent could produce alone. But here's the reality check. Multi-agent systems multiply your costs. Every agent call is an API call. 5 tips to keep costs sane. Use cheap models for simple agents. Run independent agents in parallel. Cache tool results. Set strict token limits and never over-architect. Let's recap. Multi-agent means specialization, focused tools, instructions, and expertise per agent. 4 patterns cover 95% of cases. Handoffs are the hard part, and use different models for different agents. Not everything needs the most expensive model. If you found this breakdown useful, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI engineering deep dives. Next episode, we're tackling agent memory, why your AI keeps forgetting your name and how to fix it. Drop a comment. Which pattern are you building with? See you in the next one.